Hindi
Mm.
lang siya yung pinag-aralan mo, uh, na nagpakadalubhasa ka, kailangan pa rin yung discipline na itatabi mo ang pera mo at hindi mo siya gagastusin. When we receive income from any sources of income, whether it's salary, investment, kinita natin sa investment, sa business, or anumang sources yan, we have to keep them first and then ibawas yung isa-save natin. For example, makakapag-save tayo ng 10, 15, I don't know, it's up to you, 5, 10, 15, 20. And then that's the only time you can spend.